Hey guys, Wolfgang here. Now what I am about to show you is something that nobody, not even I, have accomplished yet in YouTube history. This is the most valuable play button you could ever achieve. This play button is literally worth more than combining every other play button together. The silver, gold, and diamond. Oh, and ruby if you buy. Today, I present to you the one and only paper play button. As you can see, this is the most elegant play button to ever exist. This even has a message on the play button instead of in the box. Let's read it. Wow, you got 100 subs. I've never seen anybody achieve this goal. This might actually be the best thing to ever happen to anybody in existence. So, let's see if I can hit it. If we hit 100 subs, I will hang this play button up in my wall, and it'll be the best thing to ever happen, because it's 100 subs. As of recording this right now, we have 29 subscribers, so yeah, that's cool. Bye.